and welcome to Cooking with Sarah. Today I want to share with you some Halloween snacks. These are perfect for any school fall parties, birthday parties, Halloween parties, or even a fun little snack for your little one's lunchbox. These Frankenstein sleeves are great to hide your crackers for your Halloween parties. Let me show you how to make them. First, you're going to cut your cardstock to 5.5 by 5 1/8, and then you're going to score it at 1 inch, 1 3/4, 3 3/8, and 4 1/4. And scoring it just helps you put the line down there so it's going to be easier to fold later when we fold it around our cracker. Now we're going to make some Frankenstein faces on our sleeves. I'm
gonna make one.
Yep.
I'm gonna do the eye.
Okay. Did you make the straight eyes? And we'll put some googly eyes.
There we go.
Good. And now we'll take our googly eyes underneath the straight eyes just to make them more fun and come alive.
I squished it.
Glue dots are great for this, or you can use glue. Okay, ready? And
look.
Great job.
Let me do the other way.
Okay. Well, I am going to add our crackers into our sleeve. We've placed tape on one side of the sleeve, and then you'll just push it together and it seamlessly comes together. Well, we're finished. And this is great again for any fall parties that you might have, or even for your trick-or-treaters. But
no, it's not sticking.
My children always like it for a fun surprise in their lunchbox.
Ah.
Now let's make the bat brownies. I first started by drawing out a template. Oops. You drew out a template on a piece of cardboard, and then you trace it on some black paper, and that's how and then we cut it out into these cute bat wings. You add the tape just in the middle because that's the only thing that's going to touch the brownie. Okay, do you want to pull it off? Can you pull off the tape and put the brownie on it? You got to stick the brownie on there, right in the middle. Good. And then we add our fun googly eyes. This is great to do with the kids. Oh, did it stick to you? It's just a fun activity that they can do for their classmates.
Where can I put this?
If they have a fall party or a birthday party coming up
hey, where's
in
the
October.
One? But
I also love a fun treat. Do you guys want to take these for lunches?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're going to show your bats? It's just as easy as that.
Ah! My brownie! Look at my bat.
Show your brownie.
Hold them up.
Thank you for joining us today. Please like and subscribe, and we'll have more fun crafts to do.